Hello everyone, welcome to GED exam preparation class. I am your host and instructor, Ruben Herrera. And in this video, we're going to learn how to do multiplication with decimal numbers. All right, my friends. So what we're going to do to solve multiplication with decimal numbers, what we're going to do, first we're going to solve for this multiplication totally, we're going to multiply these numbers totally ignoring the decimal period. And then we're going to do something different just at the end of this multiplication. Let me show you, my friends. So I'm going to go ahead and start right here with the number 4. 4 times 5 is equals to 20. And I carry over a 2 right there. 4 times 2 is equals to 8 plus 2 is equals to 10. So I'm going to put 0 there. And I'm going to move over a 1. Next, 4 times 6 is equals to 24. Plus 1 is equals to 25. Very nice. Now, I'm going to go ahead and move or shift one number to the left, because now I'm going to multiply to the 1 right here. I'm going to multiply the 1 to 6 times 6.25. And if I don't need these numbers right here, I can go ahead and delete them to make my life easier. And I'm going to put 1 times 5 is equals to 5. Right there. 1 times 2 is equals to 2. 1 times 6 is equals to 6. Now I'm going to go ahead and do my addition. Okay? 0 plus nothing is 0. 0 plus 5 is equals to 5. 5 plus 2 is equals to 7. And 2 plus 6 is equals to 8. Okay? Very nice. Very good. So one of the things that I do, when I do my subtraction here, you might notice that instead of saying plus, I say times, but I'm actually adding. So I apologize if I make that mistake. So now this is my result. Now, for the last twist. Now, I'm for the last step, and this is the twist right here. So how many decimal digits, or how many digits I have right here? I have 1 right here and 2. And how many decimal digits I have, or decimal numbers I have right here? 1 right there. So I have 1, 2, and 3. I have 3 decimal digits, or 3 decimal numbers between these two right here. Okay? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to start right here, from the very beginning, from right to left, and I'm going to count 1, 2, 3. And here is, my friends, where I'm going to place my decimal period. And now this is the result of this multiplication with decimal numbers. So you do your multiplication just like you will do it without the decimal period. Solve for your multiplication, solve for your addition, and then at the end, count how many decimal digits, because now we have which of these numbers right here, which are the real decimal numbers, or the decimal digits, are only the numbers that are to the right of the decimal period. So count how many digits I have, and that's how many spaces you count here from left to right, and here's where your decimal period will end up, and your result should be something like this. Okay? Thank you very much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in our next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.